birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ano sa inyo? Basta sa lahat may kasamang palakpakan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, this time, bago po i-blow ni Nana kanyang first birthday candle, gusto naming marinig ang birthday wish ni Mommy and ni Daddy. Start tayo kay Mommy. Pero Mommy, bago ka mag-birthday wish, may rule tayo. Bawal ang emotional.
Anak, sana wish ni Mama at ni Papa lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, mabuting bata, at syempre, mapagmahal na anak at sa ibang tao. At sana, huwag mo kaming kalimutan ang Papa mo. I would like to take this opportunity also kasi birthday din niya.
Ay,
Happy birthday also. Wish ko din para sa'yo na laban lang, kaya natin to. Anumang pagsubok ang dumating, malalampasan natin to. Stay strong, safe, and healthy. Happy birthday, and I love you beyond words.
Palakpakan